Okay, you guys have been asking. It's finally here. ASICS Gel Venture 11. These are my ASICS Gel Venture 10. JDV, the national champion here. We're going to do, and third at the World Championships, we're going to do a little comparison here. Brand new, hot off the presses, folks. A lot of people have been asking me, and I have them now. We're going to do that review. Well, first of all, this is going to be a first reaction. Okay, I'm literally unboxing it here. First, I have to say this video is not sponsored by anyone. This is all my personal opinion only. I bought these with my own money. We're gonna do a little compare and contrast. I might do a little quick walking outside. I'm not fully set up for this, but I know I went, wow. Look at that. Look at that. Let me see if I can get that close. Unbelievable, really sharp. Let's check that out. Okay, and you can see the GV11 right there. That focuses up. Just impressive. Now, definitely some changes, okay? This looks way more substantial to me. Let's see if we can do a little compare and contrast. This is okay. So you can see here's the 10. All right. This is the 10 right here. And they're good. I mean, they were good. I found them a little bit tighter in this area right here, but overall I felt like this was definitely the best Gel Venture out there overall. This 11 looks a little more substantial. Now you've got the Amplifoam Plus. That's something right there to think about. I can't wait to test that out. Also, this is a different little setup right here. Wow, you can see that. Look at that. Let's see if we can figure that out right here. Okay, all one construction. There's no edges there, nothing to flick up. See, compare it to this. See that? That shows up. So here, you're gonna have right there, different. That's a different setup. Now maybe that gives a little more space here, a little more comfort, right? So you can see how that is a sort of multi-layer construction. This is right, it's right there. It's all one piece. It's super, or it's very like, extremely minimized in my opinion. I'm not making any claims. I'm just trying to observe this as I see here. Like there's like a little TDT, but it's like, it's right, it's so minimal. It's so minimal. And the same thing, you know, here you can see they did a little bit of that here, but even, I think this is slightly better. Well, it's very close. That's very close. That's very close. I'm not gonna nitpick that. But then you can see like even in this, so you can see on the 10, how that weaves in here, and whereas here, it's just very, very uniform across that upper. That's really cool. And you can see how this is very shiny. Yeah, so I feel like this is, I mean, straight off the bat, way more refined in my opinion. This looks slick. This looks really cool. And weight-wise, very similar. Maybe I gotta check the stats, but it just right off the bat, just maybe a teeny bit more substantial. I can't wait to try the Amplifoam Plus. Now let's take a look at the tread. Yeah, so just pretty tried and true. I would say the tread's maybe a little bigger here. Maybe. Okay, let's see that. It's very, very similar. I don't think that's a big, I don't perceive a major difference there. I think that's pretty similar. So yeah, I mean, I think overall impressed with this for sure. The laces, slight difference. These seem a little bit more, this looks like this, they've gone a little bit next level on this. Let me see if these laces will show up here. Let's see, is that showing up? It's just a little bit more, I don't know, techie, if you will, slightly. These are thinner here by a little. I mean, it's very small on the back. Now these are worn out, but I also perceive more cushion here. Again, it's pretty slight. I think this is an evolution, not a revolution, if you will. But overall, pretty cool. And I think this is, the tongue here is a slight bit thinner, more sort of streamlined. You can see kind of like a ribbed design here. You can see that rib design here. If that's picking up right there, okay. I'll try to get some closer shots here, maybe throw some pictures in there, something like that. There's a rib design here versus this sort of slightly thicker grid design here on the 10. I can't wait to try these. I'll be honest with you. Ortholite inside. Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty stoked, honestly. I'm pretty stoked on this. I think this is pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right, I mean, listen, quick impressions. I'm not ready to give a rating right now, but in terms of an unboxing, impressed. From the unboxing perspective, I like it. I mean, on a 1 to 10 from an unboxing, let's call this a 9.75, peeps. It's impressive. And even here, like, you can see like a different texture here, how it comes in there on the 10 versus this just looks a lot more so substantial and boosted up. I don't know. I think this has gone next level. To me, this says a little more cushion, a little more, like design running shoe, if you will. I know this is the Gel Venture series. They're a trail running shoe, but I can't wait to try this. I like it. My unboxing on a 1 to 10, I will bump it up. 9.8, I'm impressed by this. I like it a lot.